In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Squarespace website. A favicon is the tiny icon you see in your browser tab next to your site title. It's a small detail, but it makes your site look polished and helps people quickly identify your brand when they have multiple tabs open. Before we get started, have your favicon file ready on your computer. A simple square image works best. Think a clean logo mark, ideally with high contrast, so it's recognizable even at very small sizes. Once you're in your Squarespace dashboard, look to the top left and click the search icon. This search tool is a quick way to jump straight to settings without digging through menus, which keeps things fast and frustration-free. In the search bar, type Favicon, then select the favicon option that appears. This takes you directly to the place where Squarespace manages your site's browser icon. You'll see an area that lets you add or change the favicon. Here, you can drag and drop your favicon file right into the upload area, or click the plus icon to browse your computer and select the file. Either option works the same, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. After you add the file, Squarespace will process it and display a small preview so you can confirm it looks the way you expect. A few quick tips while you're here. Favicons should be square to avoid distortion. Try sizes like 48 by 48 pixels or larger, up to around 512 by 512 for crisp results on high-resolution devices. PNG files with a transparent background typically look great, but JPEGs can work too if your design doesn't need transparency. Keep the design simple and bold. Too much detail can disappear at small sizes. Once your favicon is uploaded, that's basically it. There you go. Squarespace handles the rest in the background. If you don't see the new icon immediately in your browser tab, give it a moment, then refresh the page. Some browsers cache favicons, so you might also try opening your site in a private window or on a different browser to confirm the update. To quickly recap, click the search icon at the top left, search and select favicon, then drag and drop your image or click the plus icon to upload it. That's all you need to give your site a professional finishing touch. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more branded browser tabs.